Georgia. One of the most magnificent things I've ever laid my eyes on. That's all I can say.
All right, welcome everybody. Today is a special day. We got Cletus McFarland coming to our shop for the first time. He's never been here, doesn't know exactly how we do our process, how we build the stuff. So he'll get to check that out today. Very excited to have him here at the shop.
I believe he's actually going to chop a fiberglass part for us today and get his hands dirty a little bit.
Yep.
Jesse's got something for him too.
Yeah, and so since we're working on Leroy right now, a little update for that. We're gonna step into VR and see the car as it stands right now, where it's at in real time, right in front of him, see how he likes it.
It's gonna be pretty awesome.
Yeah! First time I've ever been on the way to meet somebody somewhere and kept looking in the sky to see if they were almost there.
Yeah. Like he said, if he doesn't make it here, just meet him at the airport. So
You guys already know the deal. These guys are building a body for Leroy. And they said they have it done, so we came up here today and see it for the first time.
yeah, it's done.
No, they don't have a body done, but we wanted to come see their shop. They have a world-class fiberglass facility up here. It's only about an hour from our shop. And we're gonna take a gander at some stuff today, maybe spray some glass. Is that the plan?
Yeah,
spray
do
something
that for sure.
All right,
Absolutely.
let's go take a look.
World class being complete dump. But come on in. This is for hand laying, like we picking up edges and stuff like that. Sometimes you gotta.
You ever just
we
take
don't
it-
build giant parts with
You
this.
ever just take it and rub it on your
It
skin?
don't bother me none.
Your skin is already. Oh, dude! Take it easy, brother.
So this is where they trim the parts up and clean them, you know, get them ready to take to the customer.
Kind of cracking over there.
That is a cracking in process, yeah.
Oh, you can look at it.
Absolutely. Yep. Yeah.
Finish
It
'em.
hasn't been cleared yet, so
It looks so
it's still in the process. But
Wow, you guys literally can make anything.
yeah, yeah. Jesse, you know, using some sketches from the Pagliarulos, whip this up in the computer
It's
and
on
then
the computer. It
rebuild
makes it happen.
Yeah.
Can I get one of these bodies for Leroy as well? One of those cracking bodies.
This is our CNC machine that we bought years and years and years ago. But this is correct.
Oh yeah. And then you make the molds off of that.
So foam, plug, like assembled,
Yeah.
primer and bodywork. Then we wax it,
Make the
fiberglass that, we make the mold off of that.
Wow.
And then once we have that, then we can make fiberglass parts and we can make however many you want.
Complicated. Dude, I want that body for Leroy. That thing looks aerodynamic.
It probably is, man. Definitely hydrodynamic, like we were talking. Yeah. I can show you the chop room, which is where the magic is.
Wait, the back corner too, or no? Because it's
You gotta have quality, you can't just have quantity. See how there's really not any hard angles or
Yeah.
anything going on here? This will be fine. Same with this is all fine. So, yep. You put a little bit there, yep. That's good.
We want our part holding up.
I got a warranty on it.
When you pull the trigger halfway down, you'll get resin and MEK.
Oh.
You pull a full, and your chop will come out.
Oh!
Yeah, buddy.
Hey, it's really spread.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, layered it out.
Very good.
Really?
Yeah.
What's our next step here?
So the fibers won't stick to this one like they will to this one. So whenever you're doing the chop, you always want to use the bristle.
Oh, yeah.
You're just trying to get rid of air.
That's all you're doing. Laying it down, making it look nice. Get a brush. Get a roller, dude.
Oh,
That is
you always make all their custom rollers around here. You can tap the corner down with a brush if you need to. The bristle end. There you go. Yeah. There we go.
You can hit it.
Well, that's, you know.
He said you can push it down with this.
Well, brush, I don't know. That's how you paint.
Something that you kind of get the hang of through experience. It's not something that overnight you're just going to know how to do.
Yeah. It takes a while to get as good as we are at this.
Actually, Dave said get him a new hire packet.
My shoes, George.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely a lot of fiberglass.
So, yeah, so what you're going to do is this. Button rate on this right here.
Yeah.
You're going to click that. On the screen that pops up in front of you, there's going to be a little camera.
Yep.
You're just going to trigger that camera and start it.
Okay.
The yellow body you see in there right now is
Yeah.
an actual rebuilt scan of a C7 Corvette. The frame
Oh, yeah.
is obviously your frame.
So I
Your
can
chassis.
see where Leroy's chassis is poking through because that's on the outside. Oh man, it actually a lot of it lines up pretty
You can
damn
actually
good.
get inside the car and look out.
Can I really?
Everything, yeah. I know you don't want to walk into it, but you can walk through it. Admit your body tells, your brain says no.
Yeah,
and you can walk
this
right
is
through it.
nuts, dude. This is so sick.
Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks good.
So in a second, I'm going to bring in a body that I'm working on
Okay.
and put it over the frame instead of that C7.
Okay.
Give you
All right.
a glimpse.
Hold on, let me take a gander here. Turbo looks good. Let me get in it real quick. Oh, I have to trim back the nose on Leroy. Well, I don't know.
No, we're going to stretch it out.
Now, there'll be like a C7 roof, right?
Yeah, it'll be. This is just. I just scanned the parts I needed off the C7.
Yeah.
It's all got to be built.
I'm in Leroy right now, George. I know you can't. I know you can't tell, but I'm literally in the side. I'm looking out the window of Leroy with a body right now.
It doesn't look like it from here.
I bet it doesn't. But I'm chilling in Leroy right now.
Oh, dude.
Dude, go get in him.
I don't know.
Go get in your boy, Leroy. You're in there right now.
Dang, dude.
Dude, from here it looks like you're in it.
Looks like you're trying to poop on
I
a
can see the intake.
That's awesome.
I can see the parachute and everything.
That's sick.
Holy crap.
Alright, let him switch to the next body. Okay.
Yeah.
What do we got up here? Oh, we got a little bald eagle meat coming out the front of this thing.
Yeah, so.
Damn, this is crazy like this. Dude. What in the heck?
Dude, that's gonna be your car.
I love this, Jesse. You were saying
Well, I'm just saying.
I might not like it. This is sick.
It looks like an eagle.
Georgia, one of the most magnificent things I've ever laid my eyes on. That's all I can say. I worry a little bit about the aerodynamic scoop on the backside of the turbos, but obviously that's easy to fix.
Well, that's all.
I know you just started on.
That's all going to get chopped off completely.
George, wait till you see this, dude. Wait till you see this.
This is gonna bring a new term to bald eagle
wait,
machine.
dude, this is literally gonna be so sick if this turns out like this. You gotta get on here. Turn around. She's right behind you.
Oh, dude, it looks like a Pro Mod.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my
Hold on,
god.
come up to the front. Go up to the front.
Oh, that looks way better than the last one.
Yeah, that looks
I'm
good.
not looking right
That
now.
looks good.
I'm not looking.
Get a little lower. Get a little lower.
Dude. Holy crap. That was way cool. And then with the paint
Wait till it
job
gets
on
painted. Yeah, man. Yeah. This is gonna be awesome.
It looks like a
Oh,
Pro Mod, but it's gonna fit Leroy perfect like that.
Bro, Leroy's gonna be so fast.
It's gonna be nice if we want to change much to make it work.
Dude, you're stepping on Leroy.
Disrespectful, my bad.
What do you think
New
of the
paint.
split wing?
I like it a lot.
Yeah.
I don't know like how that would affect the driving, but it
We'll
looks
figure that out later. Sick, right?
So when I'm done, I can have like model my own.
It's gonna be crazy.
so low.
So that was awesome. I think Cletus is pretty excited. We're excited. I think today went pretty good. So
Very well. The guys do a great job chopping the parts. They're actually pretty damn good.
yeah, better than I expected.
Yeah.
More updates coming soon. Follow us for more, and thanks for watching.